A Kenyan analyst has said that, the United States is best known for manufacturing violence for regime change in Africa and other countries around the world, while its own democracy is in question.
The United States is best known for manufacturing violence for regime change in Africa and other countries around the world. In fact, we've seen during post-Cold War, American government developed or manufacture Rose Revolution in Georgia. They manufacture Orange Revolution in Ukraine. They manufacture Arab Springs in Northern Africa. The danger of that is that it's normally America manufacture those revolutions to plant what is called hybrid regimes. Now, those hybrid regimes compromises the economic stability of those countries. American government does not even bother about the stability of that nation, but the color revolution was majorly to advance American interests through regime change. America is good on that, to advance their political interests, irrespective of whether it is violate the democratic position of that particular country. U.S. democracy currently is in question. Now, it will take many, many decades for U.S. to redeem itself. In fact, under the Washington Consensus, they developed something called Western values. America is trying to push its Western values that does not even resonate with the other countries around the world. Now, the danger of those Western values, so to speak, is that America can be able even to push its the political agenda, business agenda, irrespective of whether it compromises the democracy of a certain country.